guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a lash extension application. After I cleanse the lashes, I'm going to start off by adding these under eye gel pads. This is just to ensure the lower lashes don't pop out during application. Here I am starting my lash mapping. This is just a guide to help you throughout the entire process of the appointment. As you can see here, I am measuring her lashes. Since she is a new client, I want to make sure that I'm not doing too long of lashes, but also not too short. We were going for a cat eye effect, but she wanted a little bit of length, still staying on the natural side. So here you can see that I did start mapping, but then I decided that I wanted to change the measurements out. So I went ahead and adjusted my mapping. And the mapping just helps keep a guide throughout the whole process. That way I'm making sure that I'm keeping both eyes pretty consistent. After mapping, I started to prime her lashes using the Nails and Blinks primer. This is just to help with adhesion when applying the lash extension. And throughout this whole process, I'm using the fan just to dry that primer. To begin lash extension application, you want to start by isolating the natural lashes, and what this means is you are separating one lash from the rest of the lashes. Again, isolation. So what this does is it helps prevent multiple natural lashes sticking to the lash extension. This prevents clumping. It prevents it from looking messy, and in the long run it can damage the natural lashes just because they do grow at different rates. If you do run into any issues with isolation, what you can do is tape down the lashes and pull up one single layer of the lashes. That way it separates the different layers that a client may have. In this case, I didn't do so because I didn't really run into that issue. Again, I am just going back and forth between both eyes, different sections at a time, just to prevent any sticking. Throughout the process, I do like to brush the lashes out just to make sure there are no clumps, everything is sticking and curing correctly. And also it helps with separating the natural lashes too. And the little pink thing that's on my finger, that is actually my glue ring. Some people like to use the jade stones. I just like having the glue next to my isolating finger just because it makes it more seamless for me. Here I am taping up the eyelid. That's just going to help lift the lash line and help me isolate a little bit better, but it's not necessary. Everyone's lashes are different, so it just depends on what you're working with. Usually the outer corners and the inner corners are what I need to be pulled back a little bit. Obviously I'm not lifting her eye to where her eye is completely open, so just keep that in mind. So again, I am just focusing on isolation and making sure that I am separating each individual lash. Just a quick side note, so I started this channel because I wanted to share with you guys different processes. So I'm gonna have lash videos, nail videos. I'm gonna try to get some facial videos in here too. If you have any ideas, let me know. Just comment on this video itself, or you can just DM me on Instagram, Facebook, whatever you follow me on. And here are the final results. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Also, any video recommendations or suggestions, please leave those in the comments below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the